Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to repair Dynatech power amplifier model V9000. The problem with this amplifier is when you turn on, it always stays on clip or protection mode on both of the channel. And this means something is going wrong with the components or the connection inside this amplifier. First, let's check all the output transistor and the voltage on both of the channel. Let's check first with the continuity. Between base and emitter, we have approximately 109 value. Base and collector, we have 433, which is normal. On this part here, we have abnormal reading. Between emitter and collector, we have 0 reading. Emitter and base, we have 108 value. And let's check channel 2. On channel 2, between emitter and base, we have 108 value. Between emitter and collector, we have 429, which is normal. On the side also same, the value showing same like channel 1. This means both of the channel are abnormal. Sometimes this could happen due to power supply problem. Let's turn it on the amplifier and check the voltage. On the emitter of the output transistor, we have 98 volt. On base, we have 0 volt. And on emitter, we have 99 volts. But when we check on channel 1 output transistor, base we have 100 volt, collector we have 100 volt, emitter we have 100 volt, which is abnormal. But on channel 2, when we check the output transistor, when we check on the base of the output transistor, we have 0 volt. This means normal. So now let's unplug all the connectors and check the power supply voltage. Now let's connect this black wire multimeter probe to ground or earthing of the amplifier. First, let's check this red wire. We do get plus 105 volts on this red wire and plus 51 volts on this orange wire. Now let's check the minus voltage, which is blue and green. When we check on blue wire, we get minus 51 volts. And when we check on green wire, we have no voltage at all. Minus voltage is missing here. But when we check on plus wire, we do have a voltage around 100 volts. This means something is wrong in the power supply. Now you can see this power supply board got burned. As you can see, the pins of the bridge diode here got burned completely. Let's take it out the bridge diode and check. Let's check between EC input pins and minus output pins. It shows normal. On the plus pin also it's showing normal. We have no short diode here. This bridge diode is still working. The only thing is to join the pins and extend the length so that we can soldering it back to the circuit again. After we have joined and extend the pins of a bridge diode, so let's fit it back in the circuit and check. Now that we have finished soldering back the bridge diode, let's fit the power supply back and check the voltage. Let's turn on the amplifier and check the voltage on the green wire. And now we do have a voltage on this green wire, which is minus 39.1 volt. On the orange wire, we have plus 39.3 volt. And on red wire, we have plus 78.5 volt. Previously, when we checked, it was 105 volt. I dropped down the voltage through a stabilizer to prevent from further damage to the component. That's why we get 78 volt. And on the blue wire, we have minus 78.5 volt. This means the power supply is working fine now. Now the amplifier is working fine. We have solved the problem. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos update.